how to turn on document scan in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up your camera app. From here, tap on the control button here. So tap on quick controls and then tap on the settings icon. In here at the top, tap on scanning. Then tap on document scan. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Down here, you can choose the scan resolution. You can set it to high, default, or low. And here is the add document scan to apps screen. So if you want, you can add it to the app screen as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here in camera, now you can scan a document. Okay, so to scan a document, you just have to get the camera open, and then you can see there is a scan button right there. And this will allow you to scan the document. And that's it. Thank you for watching.